What's going on, fellas? I hope this video finds you in the best of health. We've been discussing hygiene as a part of our Mastering Men's Hygiene series. So fresh, so clean. Let's talk about products, shall we? Let's shall. When temperatures rise and the warm months approach, the importance of maintaining personal cleanliness becomes even more important and pronounced. As you know, gentlemen, the combination of increased heat and humidity can complicate our hygiene efforts, leading to more significant challenges such as excessive sweating, body odor, and skin irritation. Our body's natural response to higher temperatures often results in increased perspiration, which, while serving to cool the body, can also create an environment conducive to bacteria growth, heightening body odor issues. In order to combat these hygiene challenges, a proactive approach is wise. You might need to adapt your shower routine using products designed for hotter climates and paying special attention to areas prone to sweat like armpits, the buttock and groin area, as well as your feet. Using deodorants and wearing fabrics that breathe can significantly contribute to reducing odor and maintaining skin health. When it comes to maintaining effective hygiene practices, especially during warmer months, the selection of soap and body wash always plays a crucial role, gentlemen. There are numerous types of soaps available, each designed to cater to various skin types and personal preferences. You've got your traditional bar soaps, of course. Liquid soaps and body washes vary in formulation, efficacy, and application. My brothers, bar soaps typically contain fewer synthetic chemicals. Liquid forms are often formulated to provide added moisture. One thing to think about and consider in choosing the right product is understanding specific ingredients that are used in the soap. Dry skin, opt for soaps and body washes that contain hydrating elements like glycerin, aloe vera, vitamin E, or shea butter, which help to lock in moisture. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, products featuring salicylic acid or tea tree oil can help in managing excess oil and preventing breakouts. Just a footnote, guys. Fragrance-free options are highly recommended if you have sensitive skin, as they reduce the risk of irritation. Gentlemen, when it comes to deodorants, they do not prevent sweating, but instead contain antimicrobial agents to inhibit the growth of odor-causing bacteria, coupled with fragrances to provide a pleasant scent. Lastly, but just as important as moisturizers for your body, body lotion are not just for dry skin. They are essential in maintaining the skin's integrity, particularly as temperatures rise. High-quality body lotions and facial moisturizers help hydrate the skin, preventing it from becoming dull, flaky, or oily in hot weather. Finally, fragrances. Your cologne is the essence of your personal hygiene and style during warmer months. Selecting a suitable cologne or body spray, it makes a significant difference, helping to maintaining a fresh presence, particularly in the heat. Check out the full article on my website, RICHBOY Entertainment 903, and check out our video series, So Fresh, So Clean. The link is in the description box. I'll catch you on the next video. Stay fresh, stay clean. Let's get it. Shalom.